I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every
People, I hope you all are doing wonderful. So we are going to DC. I want to go take a picture with Joe Biden.
What's that?
The famous place. So I'm going there, and yeah, because this is the only time I have this week to shoot some content. I'll get extremely busy from next week. Next week I have to edit these videos and put them up, and from next week I'm going to get extra busy. It's cold, although, but thank God the sun is up. Yeah, so let's go get the have a look at how DC looks like. Yeah, first time going there.
All of them was rich little boys.
Yeah, that's the problem with money.
All of them was rich little boys.
That's the problem with money. Most of people born into wealth don't understand how to manage
They don't
it.
appreciate it.
They don't. They don't.
But he was a good guy. His name was Deli.
Yeah.
We made a brief stop at Verizon so we could get our SIM card sorted out, and I saw these beautiful pillows and I wanted to grab them, and I said to myself, oh yeah, can you leave that place? You don't have a house. Yeah, so it's really beautiful out here and the weather is so fresh. It's cold, but it is so refreshing. So we got a SIM card. I now saw this iPhone 14 Pro Max. I'm like, okay, I'm even broke safe. It's a video for another day. We proceeded to, that kind of hunger that hits you and you cannot. I am not a fan of fast food, but once in a very long while, let me put it that way, we had to get some, soda and, just some fries to calm down the intestines, to calm, I love food, to calm the hunger. So we had to get ourselves some food so we could eat.
Yeah, nice. Take it. Cool.
This is a self guide tour, and we decided to drive through by ourselves so we could experience the beautiful city and also the scenery and all. But if you're visiting the United States for the first time, I will recommend you get a guide tour so they can be able to show you around and of course bring out that historic vibe of the city. So we had to do this by ourselves, just driving around and experiencing the beautiful nature and of course the beautiful city of Washington. I know a lot of people might be asking, how much does it cost to tour the White House? Guys, this is free. This is self-guide. And some might ask, how do you get a tour? I think you can find some information online. And is there any dress code for the tour to the White House? No, no, no. You can dress the way you want. Yeah, so the way you feel comfortable, you see, that is how you can go with. And can a normal person visit the White House? Of course, you can. So just go to the White House and visit, because typically from where I am coming from, being a Cameroonian, I have never been to Palais de Congrès in Yaoundé in Cameroon. I don't know if it's allowed to, to just tour like what I experienced here in Washington, D.C. If you've done that, I know it sounds strange, right? Living in Cameroon all my life, but never been to the White House, not our own White House in Cameroon. So if you've been there, I don't know if it's allowed for cameras and all, but here I experienced a lot. And just driving through, we saw these beautiful food trucks. To think I had a bite of fries just a minute ago and I saw these food trucks, I was like, oh my God, I just disturbed my intestines. I could have had some good tacos on this beautiful weather. I'll just allow you to see the beautiful city of, not New York, I'm bringing New York content, of Washington. Enjoy.
Oh, Trump.
What are some of the most popular things to do in Washington, D.C. and what to see? There are lots of them. You could, if you are someone who loves history, you can have historical tours, have city tours, history, cultural tours, specialty museum, ghost tours, half-day tours, park, bus tours. If you want art museum, if you want a guided tour, you can have all of that. You can go see the Washington MC Moonlight Tour. There are a lot of it in DC. Yeah, so there are a lot of good stuff or touristic attractions that you can be able to see in Washington. For instance, like the U.S. Capitol, the National Museum of African and American History and Culture. You could see the Smithsonian National Museum of Natural History. There are lots and host of other things you can be able to see in Washington, D.C. Yo, people, we are here. We're going to the White House. As you can see, it's quite beautiful. It's enormous, it's beautiful, it's cute. Got all of that. Yeah, I'm growing my small channel, so I need content. Hi guys. So we are at the White House. So this is the White House. Ooh. A lot of people, guys.
Manage the process. Yes, I think so.
Up close, up close. So this is the White House. Ooh. Look at the White House, guys. Eee. Look at the White House. So this is where Joe Biden is.
Yeah, to have you
Joe Biden is in there.
to have you caged up in that room. To have you caged up in that room would have been cruel.
Yeah.
I'm glad we got you. Oh, here you go. Yeah, it's running low battery.
Yeah. I'm here to grab a winter jacket. I couldn't bring. I'm here to grab a winter jacket. It's getting colder here, so I decided to go grab a winter jacket here. Ta-da! This brings an end to this episode. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. Do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button. Also leave a comment down below. Until my next one. Bye-bye.